Se agus is sé Aaron Gillane Laoch na hImeartha an seo tróna le Ceannais aimse ge de Luimneach éana cúig ón hImearth. Aaron, you came here last August, I should say, as a member of the Limerick team that brought home the Liam McCarthy, to have completed the set and to do the double this afternoon. How good a performance was this from Limerick?
Sure, look, it was a good performance. We're delighted to get over the line, but look, I'm sure we still have loads of things to work on for championship, but there's no doubt we'll enjoy this win. It's a great achievement for us and we're delighted with it.
And the matches that you've taken in the league, one defeat out of all the matches that you played, a draw as well. Have you managed to build, you think, on what you achieved last August?
Yeah, sure. I think I said it there during the week. There's always room for improvement, so we'd like to think so. And as I said there a second ago, we've plenty to work on there from today. So back training now after club month, and we'll knuckle down again.
I have to ask you about your goal in the first half. A fantastic raking pass from Tom Morrissey. A little flick from yourself. I'd suggest one that was born through years and years of the two of you playing together.
No, I'd say Tom actually mishit it, you know, and I don't know what I was doing. I just kind of flicked it. I'd say it was the only thing I hit on target all day. I had enough wides as well, so I'm just delighted it went in.
There we can see the celebration happening up on the screen. Cóhardach is that Aaron Gillane Laoch na hImeartha an seo tróna agus Peter Kilcullen, haar ceann alliance of running Gradam Laoch na hImeartha air.